Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Yamuna. Welcome back to my channel. Are you struggling with a stubborn cough that just doesn't go away? Or maybe you're someone who deals with seasonal asthma or breathlessness, especially during weather changes? If yes, you're not alone. And today, I want to share with you one of my favorite herbs in Ayurveda for respiratory health. It's called Vasa, Adhatoda or Adhatoda vasica. This plant has been used in classical Ayurvedic practice for generations, and it really works wonders when it comes to healing the lungs. What is Vasa or Adhatoda? Vasa is a small green shrub that grows all over India and other parts of Asia. We use it a lot in Ayurvedic practice, mainly for respiratory issues. Whether it's cough, asthma, or chest congestion, Vasa helps by clearing out mucus and reducing inflammation in the airways. We usually use the leaves, but the flowers and roots are also medicinal. You might also hear it called Vasaka or Malabar nut in different regions. In terms of Ayurvedic qualities, Vasa is bitter and astringent in taste. It's also cooling in nature, so it doesn't heat up the body like some other herbs do. It's particularly helpful in reducing kapha and pitta doshas, especially when there is mucus buildup or inflammation in the chest. We describe Vasa as kaphagna, meaning it removes excess phlegm. Shvasahara, it relieves breathing difficulties. Rakta prasadana, which means it purifies the blood. And Jvaratna, which helps bring down fever, especially those linked to chest infections. So where exactly does Vasa help the most? It's very effective in chronic cough and bronchitis. It helps loosen thick mucus and clears the chest. In patients with asthma, it calms the airways and makes breathing easier. It's also beneficial in sinusitis and allergies, especially when there is nasal blockage or post-nasal drip. Some use it for mild bleeding issues like bleeding gums or frequent nosebleeds because of its astringent nature. And yes, it's even safe for children in the right doses for managing cough and cold naturally. We also use Vasa in Ayurvedic combinations for supporting patients with tuberculosis, though that always requires professional supervision. Let me now tell you how you can use Vasa safely at home. First is Vasa sparasa, the fresh juice of the leaves. Take about 10 to 15 ml once or twice a day, preferably with honey. This is one of the most effective ways to reduce cough and open up the chest. The second method is Vasa kvadha, which is a decoction. You just boil the leaves in water until it reduces to 1/4. You can drink 30 to 50 ml of it, warm, once or twice daily. It works really well when taken on an empty stomach. And the third option is using ready-made Ayurvedic syrups or tablets that contains Vasa. One of the popular classical option is Vasa Vadeha. But do check with an Ayurvedic practitioner to see what suits your condition best. To enhance the effect of Vasa, we often combine it with other herbs. For example, Pippali helps open up the lungs in asthma. Sidhoparadi Churna, excellent for allergies and sinus issues. Yashtimadu soothes the throat and balances heat in the system. And Guduji supports immunity and helps bring down fever. These combinations help treat the root cause while supporting the body's natural healing. Now, a few precautions you should be aware of. If you are pregnant, please avoid Vasa. It may stimulate the uterus. Also, if you have low blood pressure, it's better to use it under medical guidance. And like any herb, always use it in the right dose, preferably after consulting a qualified practitioner. If you are using fresh juice, make sure it's prepared hygienically or purchased from a trusted source. So in short, Vasa is one of Ayurveda's most powerful herbs for respiratory health. It's gentle, natural, and when used correctly, it can make a huge difference, especially for people who suffer from cough, asthma or allergies. Have you ever tried Vasa before? Let me know in the comments. I'm here to help you understand Ayurveda better. And if this video helped you, do like, share and subscribe my channel for more healthy tips. Thank you for watching and stay tuned because in my next video, we will talk about another healing herb from Ayurveda. Until then, take care of your health, breathe deeply, stay healthy and stay happy.